man, what's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Nazi, back with another video, man. Hey man, say man, hey, your boy just might find his new daily. So man, today is gonna be a good video. You feel what I'm saying? We at the dealership, man, and y'all know we at the dealership, man. Today might be a good day. I don't know. It just all depends. As y'all can see, I got a BMW M3 behind me. So we're gonna go take it on a test drive, see if we like the car. I'm gonna show y'all around the car right quick, and then you know what I'm saying, we'll see what it's here for. So we got it in white, black wheels, carbon fiber on the back. Seems like it has some type of exhaust on it, not really sure what it is. Black wheels, does have the carbon roof on it. I think it has like 76,000 miles on it. Super clean car. It comes in this white color, kind of like a pearl. It's on Michelin, Pilot Sports, all seasons. Pretty clean. I'm gonna show y'all the inside right quick. Pretty decent in the inside. Red and black interior, kind of like this red color. It is the, I think it's the SMG. Pretty clean. So I'm gonna get the GoPro on. They about to close in about an hour, so I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can. Take out on a little ride along. Yeah, we gonna see how the car perform. Your boy might have him a do daily. We gonna see. We gonna see. Super clean. All right, y'all. So we in the car. We gonna go ahead and take a little spin. So these, they don't have no park, so I guess you gotta pull the e-brake and then put it in the drive. It's something new, so we're gonna see about that. Windshield dirty. We gotta get some what's the name on these. Dirt. Somebody got the kitty. I ain't drove a automatic like sports car in a minute. Yeah, he got the trunk open. That's pretty quick. Yeah, so the car sounds pretty good, y'all. This shit quick though, I ain't gonna lie. A little quick and got out of there. So yeah, we took it out of the manual mode, so we just got it in drive now. Yeah, it's quick. I ain't gonna lie, like, you can feel, like, can't you feel like everything through like the seat, like the road? You could talk in the video. Yeah, it should ride pretty smooth though. It's quick. Y'all, we gonna go to the highway and we gonna see what this thing putting down. You feel me? Go to the highway, see what that thing putting down. I think it has some type of exhaust on it. I'm not really sure, but it does sound good though. I don't really have too much to say, you feel me? Like, I'm just letting y'all enjoy the car. I know I'm enjoying it though. You think it's worth $26,000? So y'all, the dealership wants $26,000 for this car. Couple things that kind of steer me away. One thing, I think the car has a salvage title, which is not too much of a big deal because their dealership, they bought the car. I'm not sure if this is a competition version, but no, it does have a lot of carbon fiber on it. We're gonna get into it right now. Let me see. Brakes were good. Yeah, so I mean, yeah, the car is definitely quick. These come with about 414 horsepower, I believe. Turbo V8. Oh, not turbo V8, naturally aspirated V8. These rev to like what is it, like 8,000 RPMs? Damn near what the GTR revs to. But yeah, it's pretty comfortable. Yeah, so we're gonna punch it from the light. We're gonna see what it does. She over there messing with the controls. Just leave right there. Yeah, it got power to it. So I don't got it in the most aggressive shifts right now. Big truck coming out though. That's quick, y'all. She might do Nikita. Not after she come back though, but that motherfucker quick though. Ain't gonna lie. It handles good too, y'all. Steering wheel feels real tight. Paddle shifters are right where my hands are. Ain't gonna lie. But a 26, it might be worth it. It might be. Let's see if we gonna turn the shifts up, and then we'll see what it does at automatic. Yeah, that bitch move. How I feel from that end? Fast? Yeah, it definitely feels fast for sure. Turn the shift down. Yeah, y'all. So yeah, this shit do feel fast though. I'm not gonna lie. It do feel fast. It's not like blistering fast, like it'll make you scared, but it's like progressively like a type of fast where, like, you know, it'll put you back in your seat, but it's not gonna like blow away a Hellcat type shit. Like, it's like good track speed. I can definitely see this as a good track car. I mean, it is an M3, so obviously, you know what I'm saying, it is a track car, but in a straight line, and it's pretty decent. It's pretty fast. Especially like your average cars, going against your average cars, it would definitely be fast for sure. These all season got a lot of grip too for what they are. Michelin's. So from the light right there, it didn't bog, it hooked. It just pulled. Y'all, so when y'all not on the paddles, man, the car rides super smooth. It's not too aggressive like some cars are. Feel me? The pedals feel real good. I don't really like if you're using the paddles, it stays in that mode and you gotta click the selector to get it back to automatic. So that's kind of like but not too bad. Just not really used to it, I guess you could say. Averaging 6.8 miles to the gallon, so y'all think about getting one of these, it's probably not the car to get if you're trying to save some type of gas. Downshifts are crispy. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I like it, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I like it. You feel like the interior is comfortable? The white, yeah. The white. Yeah, like the burnt orange. It's kind of like a red, but kind of orange at the same time. So what I noticed, so this car really doesn't have like no bottom end torque, as you call it. It's kind of like it has to get to maybe like, I'll say like 6,000 or maybe like 5,000 RPMs before it really gets in the rev range. Before you, I guess you could say, before you start making power, you got to be high up in the rev range before you actually like feel good power. I'm kind of comparing it to my GTR in a sense, but I mean it's a little different because it's a naturally aspirated car versus a turbo car. But my car, for instance, like it doesn't have a bunch of torque in the beginning either, but I guess you could say it has those twin turbos to, you know what I'm saying, pushing along, versus like this being naturally aspirated. You're kind of waiting on that power band. As long as you were to keep it in the power band, maybe like a 60 roll, you would have to maybe be like 6,000 RPMs to really, you know, be in that power band, or you're kind of not in that power band. I never really understood why dealerships like never put any gas in their cars. I guess if you were to steal one off the lot, you probably wouldn't make it that far. That's probably a good reason. What you think? This bitch damn near on E. They don't fill it up till you buy it? Oh, they don't fill it up till you buy it? That's crazy. He wouldn't want to line that 392 up there. I think these would be like the equivalent to like a Camaro SS or something. Some of that nature. definitely has plenty of power. Yeah, y'all, we right back by the dealership, so we gonna take this thing on back. See what it do. 26, I don't know, y'all. Let me know in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Y'all think that's a good price? It has about 74,000 miles on it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these, man. I know a lot of y'all are Scat Pack owners. Y'all like the Scats. You know, these are competitors. Even though this is an older car. We made it back to the dealership, you feel me? Safe and sound, you dig? Man, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. That might be an option, you dig? Like, this motherfucker really drive good, y'all. I mean, everything, I couldn't really talk too much during the drive, you dig what I'm saying? Because, for one, the car was really, like, performing. Like, I was kind of speechless the whole time driving it. If y'all ever get the time to ever go drive one of these, man, if y'all have one in y'all area, man, please do. I'm telling you, it's an experience for sure. So I just kind of sat back, drove it, man, let y'all kind of experience it from y'all end of the screen, you dig? Yeah, man, y'all seen the car driving, y'all seen how it drove. Really didn't have too much to say about it. Man, I don't know, 26, y'all. I think if they can go down to like 19, man, your boy might walk with it. 20 maybe, your boy might walk with it, you feel me? Look how the sun just hitting that thing. Boom. The sun just hitting. Boom. The sun just hitting. Boom. And it's not even clean too, y'all. It's pretty dirty. This car has been sitting out here for a while. But I'm gonna go inside right quick. Y'all can see those back seats back there. I don't even know. Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, I never even looked in the back of one of these. So you got your climate control. You got your speakers back here. I don't know what this even goes to. Some type of fake carbon. It's like a trim piece or something, but oh yeah, okay, so it goes over there. Boom. Y'all, this thing clean though, I ain't even gonna lie. It's clean. Definitely spacious in the inside. How you get this to go back, I don't know. I don't know how to work these new cars. We'll figure that out in a second. Motor revs to 8,000. Definitely where it's at. I like them high revving cars, man. But yeah, man, so this was it. Hey, the next video might be bringing it home. You did, so hey, man, y'all stay tuned for that. Man, I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video, man. Thank y'all for watching, man. If y'all enjoy the content, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You dig? And hey, man, your boy might have one. Your boy might have him a new daily, you feel me? Hey, y'all boys keep on watching, man. We got something exclusive coming for the channel. Nikita coming back here soon. She almost finished, so hey, I'm gonna keep y'all updated.